Zido will pay. Very good. Zido is happy. He wants to open the new. What is this? CHEFLINE cookware set. Okay? It's non-stick, okay?
Mama,
oh, Mama open.
Hello.
Sit here, sit here. He's doing it, jumping and then here, go that side ba. Look at the camera, look at the camera. He's very happy. Come here, Mama will open now. You don't listen. Mama will open. Slowly, slowly, it's dangerous. Oh my gosh, it's hard. Okay, open, open. Zido will open. Open. There's also ladle, Baba. We have a lot of this, but this is nicer. It's like wood, hard wood. The one we have, I think it's bamboo. But this one is wood. No, very nice. And we have pan. How many pans do we have? We have small one, the medium one, and we have here. Open, open, open. We have also here. What's the name of this? I think this is the wok, the name, something like this. And we also have this cooking pot. And we have also for, if you are tortilla. If you are, something. Oh, Zido has cough. And we can use the cover to this one. Oh no, not this one. The other one. This one. This pan. And the other one, the wok. Here. Another ladle, Baba, for frying. This one. So it has two. It's good, no? It's only 74 dirhams. Right? From 129. It's good. 74. It's like 1,000 something in peso. It's cheap. Good. Happy now? Happy? Oh, it's very busy. It's happy. Every time we have a box or a parcel, he's very excited to open. See, because he wants to play. He wants to play. Get inside the box, Zaid. Get inside the box. You can sit here. Oh, go there. Sit there. Go sit there. Get inside. Oh, okay. Sit down. What? So how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 ladles. 6, 7. And this one cover. The CHEFLINE. I told you I have a lot of CHEFLINE. Zido will cook now. Sige, show them you cook. Cooking. Zido is cooking. Oh, finish now. Oh, cover. He knows how to cook because he saw me. He saw me cooking. Oh, the other one. Use the other one. Oh, make pancake. Oh, pancake. Sige. That's for pancake. Smaller or egg. Where are you going? What are you cooking, Zaid? You're cooking your toys? The other one also? He wants to cook his toys, Bob. Huh? Finished? Oh, finished cooking. Oh, sige, eat the cars. Yeah, it's already cooked. You can eat the cars now. He knows that it's not food. He's not eating.